press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this session. I have presented with some unique sentences that are very helpful in spoken English. Let's start. The first sentence is कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? कोई है. There is someone. There is someone. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. There is something wrong definitely. There is something wrong definitely. दाल में कुछ काला है. There is something wrong in the bottom. There is something wrong in the bottom. एक समय था जब कोरोना नहीं था. There was a time when there was no corona. मकान में सन्नाटा पसरा था. There was pin drop silence in the house. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. There is no doubt in it. मैं हूं ना. Don't worry, it is I. Don't worry, it is I. जियो और जीने दो. Live and let live. निश्चित है. It is definite. It is definite. असहाय लोगों की हम मदद करना हमारा कर्तव्य है. It is our duty to help the helpless. It is our duty to help the helpless. यह उचित नहीं है. It is not proper. It is not proper. तुमने ही ऐसा कहा था. It is you who said so. मैं ही तुम्हारे काम आऊँगा. It is I who will help you. It is I who will help you. धत तेरे की. Oh shit. Oh shit. सत्यानाशो. Damn it. Damn it. मुझे यकीन नहीं होता. I can't believe. I can't believe. शक की कोई दवा नहीं है. There is no remedy for doubt. There is no remedy for doubt. हद कर दी आपने. You have crossed the limits. You have crossed the limits. अब कहने को रह ही क्या गया है. Now what is there to say? Now what is there to say? माफ़ कीजिए, मैं तुमसे सहमत नहीं हूँ. Sorry, I don't agree with you. अवश्य तुम ऐसा कह सकते हो. Of course you may say so. Of course you may say so. तुम कितने भाग्यशाली हो. How lucky you are. How lucky you are. नाविक तैरते तैरते डूब गया. The sailor was drowned by swimming. The sailor was drowned by swimming. लोटा लुढ़कते लुढ़कते लुढ़क गया. The jug rolled by rolling. The jug rolled by rolling. देर हो रही है. It is getting late. It is getting late. अब मुझे घर जाने दो. Now let me go home. Now let me go home. अब लौट चलें. Let us return. Let us return. तुम्हें यह शोभा नहीं देता. It does not look nice of you. It doesn't look nice of you. आप नाश्ते में क्या लेंगे? What will you have in breakfast? What will you have in breakfast? जहाँ तक मुझे ज्ञात है वह ईमानदार है. So far as I know he is honest. जहाँ तक लिए so far as का यूज करते हैं. So far as I know he is honest. कुछ भी हो जाए. Come what may. Come what may. किसे दोष देना है. Who is to blame? Who is to blame? मैं बात का पक्का हूँ. I am true to my word. I am true to my word. अपनी चिंता करो. Mind your business. Mind your business. वह हंसता ही रहता है. He does nothing but laugh. He does nothing but laugh. रात हो रही है. It is growing dark. It is growing dark. अरे यहाँ आओ तो सही. Oh, do come here. Oh, do come here. चवन्नी घिसते घिसते घिस गई. The 25 पैसे coin worn out after a long use. The 25 पैसे coin worn out after a long use. उसने मेरी सारी मेहनत पर पानी फेर दिया. He washed up all my work. He washed up all my work. Thanks for watching the video. I will again meet with new video.